Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-350 Lariat in ruby red with leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This is a 4x4 and it has a 6.7 liter power stroke diesel engine. It also has the Lariat Ultimate package, which includes the navigation system and the Power Code remote start. And you have a camper package as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as that nice inlay. You also have power locks, windows and mirrors, and memory for 3 different drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your brake release located here, tailgate release, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in, and a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start engine, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. I'm going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages are going to appear, and we can actually toggle through a menu, and I'm going to get to the beginning here. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul, and when we press this, you will see it appear to the left, and then press again and off it goes. Up above is a bin, and you're seeing the Sony branded stereo system, as well as your exhaust brakes, traction control, hazard lights, and we have a touch display screen. There's your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. In your settings, you can touch through there and slide for different options like ambient lighting. Down below, volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. You have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. You also have your front and rear defrost, as well as AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential and integrated trailer brake controller. In the cubby is a couple of USB outlets, and if you don't want to see them or use them, you just press the button and it'll close it right up for you. There's some bins as well as a couple of cup holders, and in the bottom there's a light. That's where your ambient lighting will appear. Your armrest opens up and it's locked right at the moment, but inside there's a bin, and there's also more storage as well as a 12 volt. Off to the side is a couple of areas to put glove compartment, that word escaped me, above and below, and the lower one is locking. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls as well as your sunglass holder. Upfitter switches, that's the button that slides that power back window, and you also have a universal garage door opener. 18-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic cab step, body color door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is located just above that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can release it from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it down for you, making it easier to get in. There's tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step. On your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as that nice inlay, and power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. Down below you have a foldable lockable bin, and when you're ready to bring that seat back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. At the base there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center you have a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, air vents, as well as the power controls for heated seats in the rear. Grab handles in the body, up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, dual exhaust, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors that are power scope telescoping trailer tow mirrors. You also have LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.